Good morning, everyone. Today we learn about EFC item listing. EFC listing process has been designed in the system where the approved EFC item list will be entered. You can also enter the provisional EFC item list. Against the approved EFC list, items will be procured during the EFC period. EFC linkage with procurement process has been established at requisition and PO creation levels. Item categories captured at purchase requisition and PO level will be validated against the EFC item list. System will not allow the quantity or amount exceeding the quantity and amount mentioned in the EFC item listing. Once you log in into the system, select the respective institute budget user. Here we have selected NAM budget user. Click on EFC item listing. Here, in order to create, click on create. Click on the LOV attached to the EFC year field. Once you click on it, the EFC year will default from the system. This will be the current EFC year which is going on. Enter the institute name for which the EFC item listing is being prepared. Enter the item list, which is a free field. You can enter the item list yourself. Let's say we enter furniture and fixtures. Enter the source of funds for which the EFC item is being created. Let's say we select source of funds as plan schemes. Enter the sub-scheme for the plan scheme. Let's say for the plan scheme for NAM, we select the sub-scheme as National Academy of Agricultural Research and Management. Select the division for which the procurement is to be made in the EFC year. Let's say we select the division as agronomy. Select the head under which the asset item falls. Here we have selected furnitures and fixtures. Select the type of asset to be procured. Once you select the type, you need to enter the quantity sanctioned. Let's say the quantity sanctioned for furniture and fixtures is 100 and the amount sanctioned for the same is 10 lakh. The feature of end date will be used when the item list has no relevance in future and we don't want to procure any item against the said EFC item list. Item status shall remain new and the approval status can be approved or provisional as the case may be. Once the item list has been created, that is, all the fields have been filled, click on Save. It will show transaction complete, one record applied and saved. Now, the POs and the invoices cannot be created for a quantity exceeding 100 or the amount exceeding 10 lakh. Both of the condition has to be fulfilled while creating the purchase orders. Thank you and have a nice day.